Ever wondered why we hiccup? This seemingly trivial yet universally perplexing reflex has left doctors and scientists scratching their heads for centuries. The involuntary spasms of the diaphragm, often triggered by overeating or sudden excitement, have inspired a plethora of bizarre remedies: holding your breath, drinking water upside down, being scared. But what's truly fascinating is a lesser-known medical case from the 1920s. A man named Charles Osborne hiccuped continuously for 68 years. Despite countless attempts by medical professionals to stop his hiccups, the mystery remained unsolved. This peculiar condition only ceased naturally just a year before his death, leaving the world with more questions than answers. Can we ever truly cure hiccups, or is this age-old annoyance here to stay? The curiosity lingers, proving that even the simplest bodily functions can be enveloped in enigma.